Sugarcane. It's a plant that has been cultivated for thousands of years, originating in Southeast Asia and spreading across the globe. Today it's a staple in many countries, providing not just sugar but also biofuel, molasses, and even rum. It's the source of the sugar we use every day. From the sugar in our morning coffee to the sweet treats we enjoy, sugarcane plays a crucial role in our daily lives. And it's a massive global industry. Countries like Brazil, India, China, and Thailand are some of the largest producers, contributing to a multi-billion-dollar market. Every year, farmers around the world harvest almost 2 billion tons of sugarcane. This monumental task involves a combination of traditional farming methods and cutting-edge technology. That's a lot of sweetness. But it's not just about the end product. The journey from field to table is a fascinating one, filled with hard work, innovation, and a deep connection to the land. But how do we go from a field of sugarcane to a bag of sugar? Well, buckle up. It's quite a journey. It starts with planting the sugarcane, which can take up to a year to mature. Once ready, the cane is harvested, often using large machines that can cut and collect the stalks efficiently. This isn't some small-time operation with a couple of blokes and a rusty tractor. Modern sugarcane farming is a high-tech industry, utilizing GPS-guided machinery, drones for monitoring crop health, and advanced irrigation systems to ensure optimal growth. We're talking big business here. Huge farms, serious machinery. The scale of these operations is staggering, with some farms spanning thousands of acres and a whole lot of sugar. Once harvested, the cane is transported to processing plants where it's crushed to extract the juice. This juice is then purified, boiled, and crystallized to produce the sugar we know and love. So, let's get down to it and see how it's done. From the fields to the factories, from the raw cane to the refined sugar, every step of the process is a testament to human ingenuity and the incredible journey of sugarcane. Sugarcane loves warm weather. It thrives in tropical and subtropical regions. Countries like Brazil, India, and China are the world's biggest producers. Their climate is perfect for growing sugarcane. The sugarcane plant itself is quite impressive. It's a tall, grass-like plant. It grows in thick clumps, and it can reach over 10 feet tall. Inside the stalks is the sugary juice that we're after. Growing sugarcane is only half the battle. Knowing when to harvest is crucial. Farmers keep a close eye on their fields. They're looking for signs that the sugarcane is mature. The color of the stalks is important. They should be a rich golden yellow, and the sugar content needs to be just right. Once the sugarcane gets the green light, it's go time, and that's where the real action begins. Forget about hand-cutting sugarcane with machetes. This isn't the 1800s. These days, it's all about the machines. Giant hulking machines that can chew through acres of sugarcane in a day. We're talking about sugarcane harvesters. These things are beasts. They're like something out of a science fiction film, and they're incredibly efficient. Section 5. From field to factory, transporting the sugarcane. The journey of sugarcane from the field to the factory is a race against time. Every step is crucial to ensure the quality of the final product. Once the sugarcane is harvested, the clock is ticking. The freshly cut stalks need to be transported quickly to prevent any loss of sugar content. The process begins with the harvester cutting the cane and loading it onto trucks. It needs to get to the sugar mill as quickly as possible. The journey from the field to the factory is meticulously planned. Trucks are loaded to the brim and set off immediately, ensuring that the sugarcane remains fresh. That's where the next stage of the process takes place. The sugar mill is equipped to handle large quantities of sugarcane, and the efficiency of this stage is vital for maintaining the quality of the sugar. Huge trucks, loaded high with sugarcane, rumble out of the fields. These trucks are specially designed to carry heavy loads and navigate the often rough terrain of the fields. They're on a tight schedule. Every minute counts, and the logistics are carefully coordinated to ensure that there are no delays. The drivers are skilled and experienced, knowing the importance of their cargo. The sooner the sugarcane reaches the mill, the better. Upon arrival, the trucks are quickly unloaded, and the sugarcane is immediately sent to the processing lines. This rapid transition is crucial to preserve the sugar content. Time is sugar, as they say. The entire process, from harvesting to processing, is a finely tuned operation. Each step is designed to maximize efficiency and ensure that the sugarcane is transformed into high-quality sugar as quickly as possible. Section 6. Inside the sugar mill, crushing and extracting. The sugar mill is where the magic happens. And by magic, I mean a whole lot of industrial processes. The sugarcane is weighed, unloaded, and then it's time to extract that sugary juice. Giant rollers crush the sugarcane stalks. They squeeze out every last drop of juice. It's a messy business, but it's an essential step in turning sugarcane into sugar. Section 7. The magic of sugar purification and crystallization. The extracted juice is a far cry from the white sugar we sprinkle on our breakfast. It's a murky green liquid. It needs to be purified and refined. This involves a series of steps: heating, filtering, and clarifying. The purified juice is then boiled down in huge evaporators. As the water evaporates, the sugar begins to crystallize. Section 8. From mill to market, sugar's final journey. The story of sugar is one of transformation. From the lush green fields where sugarcane grows tall and proud, to the bustling mills where it is processed, and finally to the market where it reaches consumers in various forms. The raw sugar crystals are dried, cooled, and then packaged. This is a meticulous process, ensuring that each crystal is perfect and ready for the next stage. The drying process removes any remaining moisture, making the sugar stable for storage and transport. The cooling process ensures that the sugar does not clump together, maintaining its granular form. Some of this sugar will be shipped off to consumers. These bags of sugar travel far and wide, reaching homes, restaurants, and businesses. The journey from the factory to the consumer is a critical part of the supply chain, involving careful logistics and planning. Each bag of sugar is tracked and monitored to ensure it reaches its destination in perfect condition, but much of it will be further refined. The refining process is where the magic happens, transforming raw sugar into the pure white crystals that are so familiar. This involves several stages, including washing, filtering, and crystallizing. The machinery used in this process is highly specialized, designed to produce the highest quality sugar possible. It's turned into the white sugar we all know. This refined sugar is then carefully packaged, ready to be used in countless recipes and products. The packaging process is automated, ensuring that each bag is filled to the exact weight and sealed to keep the sugar fresh. This refined sugar is then used in a staggering array of products. From sweets and chocolates to bakery items and beverages, sugar is a key ingredient. It adds sweetness, texture, and flavor, making our favorite treats irresistible. The food industry relies heavily on sugar, and its versatility makes it indispensable. To bread and soft drinks, sugar is everywhere. It's in the bread we eat for breakfast, the soda we drink at lunch, and the desserts we enjoy after dinner. Supermarket shelves are lined with products that contain sugar, highlighting its importance in our daily lives. It's the end of a long journey. From the moment the sugar cane is planted to the time it reaches our tables, sugar undergoes a remarkable transformation. Each stage of the process is crucial, involving the hard work and dedication of countless individuals. From the sugar cane fields to our tables, the journey of sugar is a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. The harvesting of sugarcane is just the beginning, followed by transportation to the mills, processing, refining, and finally packaging. Each step is a marvel of modern agriculture and industry. It's a process that involves a lot of hard work, technology, and a touch of sweetness. The workers in the fields, the operators of the machinery, and the technicians in the factories all play a vital role in bringing sugar to our tables. Their efforts ensure that we have a steady supply of this essential ingredient. So, next time you stir sugar into your tea, take a moment to think about the journey it's been on. It's a fascinating story. Each spoonful of sugar represents the culmination of a complex and intricate process, one that spans continents and involves countless people. Take a moment to think about the journey it's been on. It's a fascinating story. From the fields where it all begins to the final product that sweetens our lives, sugar's journey is a remarkable tale of transformation and dedication. The next time you enjoy something sweet, remember the incredible journey it has taken to get to you.